Night shift worker ka ba? Ito yung paraan para magkaroon ka ng better sleep. Pag night shift ka kasi, it goes against your natural body clock. At nagkukos ito ng tinatawag natin na circadian rhythm disruption. Kasi tulog ka sa araw na dapat gising ka at nagtatrabaho ka sa gabi na dapat tulog ka. Kaya kahit kumpleto at 8 hours ang tulog mo, parang feeling mo either kulang or pagod ka pa rin. And ayon sa mga studies, night shift workers are really more prone to sleep disorders. That can cause obesity or weight gain, hypertension, chronic kidney diseases, heart problems, and even cancer. At mga problema sa emotional function. So how can you sleep better even during the day? Create nyo yung environment ng gabi kahit araw. So mag-invest kayo sa blackout curtains. I-recreate nyo yung parang cave-like environment in your bedroom. Gumamit ng eye mask. And maintain a consistent sleep schedule kahit na rest day mo. Para kahit papano, may rhythm pa rin yung body mo. So kahit weekends na day off ka, ganun pa rin yung tulog mo. This is Dina saying, if you're a night shift worker, give your body the rest that it truly deserves.
Ask Dina.